So today we're taking a look at the Pamu Scroll True Wireless Earbuds with Bluetooth 5. This is currently an Indiegogo campaign and they're being offered at a very low price. And I have to say I've been incredibly impressed with these earbuds. But first of all, let's take a look inside the box. We get the charging case, a nice professional looking case that is actually made of real leather and very different from any of the other cases I've reviewed. It's held shut magnetically, it's got two holes inside for the earphones to sit and charge, and a micro USB port on the aluminium side to charge up the case. Next we've got the earbuds themselves. I really like the design here, but while they do look metallic on camera, they are actually made from plastic. They're very lightweight earbuds, but still feel like they could survive some knocks and falls. Next we have a micro USB cable along with a selection of tips to suit your ear, and finally we've got the user manual. If we take a look at the specs, they're Bluetooth 5, they weigh just 5 grams, they've got 3.5 hours of playtime, but of course you put them in the case to charge them again. They're IPX6 water resistant and they've got touch controls and auto pair. They've also got a built-in microphone for taking phone calls. So audio quality, I was very impressed here. The bass was a lot more than I expected and they were able to cope well with low frequencies yet deliver enough of the mid-range and treble to balance out the sound. The highs were very crisp and clean, but one thing I would say is the bass and the high tones are a lot more prominent than the mid-range, but for those that listen to music with plenty of bass, these are really going to be a good fit. Even on bass boosted tracks, they sounded superb. Vocals were still coming through nicely. It was nice and clear with no distortion from the bass. They're delivering a clean, full body sound and they've actually become my new favorite TWS earbuds. Thanks to their Bluetooth 5, they deliver great quality audio and also latency is very low. So if you want to use these to watch a movie or TV show on your phone, they still work very well. Everything is perfectly in sync. Thanks to their lightweight design, you also barely notice they're in your ears. It makes them great for exercise or running. Phone call quality was good. I had no complaints from people I was speaking to and I could hear perfectly well. So overall, if you're after some TWS earbuds, then I would highly recommend these, especially at their current price point. While they do deliver a nice full sound, the bass is very prominent, so for any bass lovers out there, these are a must. I recently tried some Apple AirPods as well, and I have to say I would definitely take these over the AirPods. So I've placed links down in the description below for anyone that wants to get these or simply get some further information. As I said, it's currently an Indiegogo campaign and they're listed for just $39 plus shipping, although they are listed as increasing to $149 when the Indiegogo campaign is over, so it might be worth acting quickly. But as always, if there's anything I've missed or anything you want to know more about, simply ask me down in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thank you for watching the video and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.